Because of this artist's work, old typewriters once considered obsolete have found a new and far more artistic purpose. James Cook, an artist from United Kingdom, creates his artwork using vintage typewriters. But he is not simply typing words. Instead, he carefully arranges thousands of letters, numbers, and symbols to build a complete image. His goal is simple, but incredibly challenging. Transform an empty page into a complex illustration created entirely from mechanical keystrokes. The process requires extreme precision, because once a character is typed, it cannot be erased or corrected. The most magical moment happens when you zoom in. You realize that the large image is actually made from hundreds of thousands of tiny characters, each playing a small role in the bigger picture. It's not just art. It feels like a quiet dialogue between patience and an old machine. What do you think of this technique?